Allstate Extended Car Warranty Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Allstate offers vehicle service contracts, often referred to as extended car warranties, designed to cover mechanical breakdowns after your manufacturer's warranty expires. Key features include various coverage levels, ranging from basic powertrain protection to comprehensive, exclusionary plans mirroring factory warranties. These plans typically cover parts and labor for repairs to covered components, and may include benefits like roadside assistance, towing, rental car reimbursement, and trip interruption coverage if a breakdown occurs far from home. Allstate's extended warranties are generally targeted towards car owners seeking peace of mind against unexpected repair costs, particularly those with vehicles prone to issues or those who plan to keep their car for an extended period beyond the manufacturer's warranty. The ideal customer is someone who dislikes risk and prefers predictable monthly payments over potentially large, unforeseen repair bills. One of the main strengths is Allstate's brand recognition and established reputation. They offer relatively flexible payment plans, and their coverage can be used at licensed repair facilities nationwide, providing convenience. However, weaknesses exist. The cost can be significant, often exceeding the actual repair costs for some car owners, especially on vehicles with a good reliability record. Furthermore, specific covered components and exclusions are critical to review carefully. These contracts often exclude wear-and-tear items like brake pads, tires, and routine maintenance, and pre-existing conditions are never covered. The claims process can sometimes be lengthy, requiring approvals and potentially leaving you without your vehicle for a period. Another potential drawback is the possibility of aftermarket parts being used for repairs instead of OEM parts, depending on the specific contract terms. Before purchasing an Allstate extended warranty, meticulously compare the cost against the potential repair risks for your specific vehicle model and driving habits. Obtain quotes from multiple providers to ensure you're getting the best value. Carefully examine the contract's terms and conditions, particularly the exclusions, to understand exactly what's covered and what's not. Consider your own risk tolerance and financial situation. If you're comfortable handling smaller repair bills out of pocket and your vehicle is generally reliable, an extended warranty may not be worthwhile. Conversely, if you prioritize financial security and drive a vehicle known for frequent issues, an Allstate extended warranty could provide valuable protection. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual needs and circumstances. Don't rush into a purchase, do your research, and weigh the potential benefits against the costs before making a final decision.